We are your weather source for this wind event. It goes all the way into next week. On air, online, KHON2.com, and on our apps, weather app, news app. A little bump in the camera here on the Wet and Wild West Oahu cam. Breaks in the clouds, a little closer with the Zephyr cam, 70 degrees. So 60 dew points. That dew point's going to go into the 50s overnight tonight into tomorrow. The next few mornings, some areas may slip down into the 50s for overnight lows. So these temperatures are not our normal 67 low and 80 high normal. We'll struggle to get up into the upper 70s as we go through the day. This the cold air behind the cold front. The cold front is providing some pretty beneficial rain for Hawaii County, for Maui County. We'll gradually reduce the clouds here on Oahu. So let's take you through the future radar and explain everything that's going on. So a few things. The cold front really has nothing to do with the winds or the surf or anything, but it does have something to do with giving a chance for rain for Maui County and the Big Island. It'll go out of the picture, and then we get the trades back and maybe some windward Malka showers, that kind of thing overnight in the morning hours. But this high, which is normally a little farther to the northeast, is going to be a little closer to the state, and 1036 millibars. That's strong. That's some of the models are agreeing that that's as high as it'll get, but it'll just kind of stay there. You notice all the way into next week, we get what's called a tight pressure gradient, clockwise flow, and that's why we get these windy conditions, all due to that relatively strong high. So accordingly, the Weather Service issued a wind advisory until at least 6 p.m. on Sunday, 25, 30 mile per hour winds with 50 gusts. High wind warning for the peaks, high surf advisory, small craft advisory. They may extend the wind advisory. They'll reevaluate that this weekend. 15, 20 on North Shore. Notice the East Shore, 10 to 14 because of the winds, the trades back, kicking back in. Nice rain showers for Maui County and Hawaii County, relatively dry. You can see the shift there. Now we're looking at a couple of windward Malka sprinkles, but all that's going to go away with the front as we go through today into tomorrow. So here's your skycast. Notice the winds building here, and as we go through the day, we'll eventually get rid of some of these clouds. Nice weather this weekend. It's just that we have to deal with these windy conditions. I have 20 to 30 gusting to 40, 45 all the way until Wednesday before the winds start to weaken. Down branches on roads, debris on roads, maybe some down trees and power lines. Be ready for that for the next several days.